Good morning, everyone. Tony here. And I just wanted to share an observation I had. So forgive my sweatiness and nastiness. I was just out for a run. And while I was running, I was thinking about you guys, thinking about all the individuals in my knee replacement support group and on YouTube who've had knee replacements, and you're frustrated. You're frustrated with the fact that you're not getting better as quickly as you want to get better, or your surgeon or your therapist. Everybody's kind of got these arbitrary timelines. Well, by 2 weeks you should do this, and by 6 weeks you should do that. When in reality, we're all different. We're all coming from different backgrounds. We're all coming from different statuses. Like, some people have been dealing with persistent pain for decades. Some people just got into an accident and they're getting a knee replacement because of that. Some of you are in your 40s, some of you are in your 80s. The bottom line is, I want you to think of it from this perspective. Imagine an infant, a newborn, right? Your knee is brand new. Imagine a newborn baby who's trying to roll and grab and talk. And imagine that baby, which we see it, right? They get frustrated when they can't do what they want to do. But nobody blames the baby. It's just part of development. When a toddler's learning to walk, they're gonna get up and fall down and get up and fall down. They're gonna do it 1,000 times, and then they're gonna do it 1,000 more times. Your knee situation is no different. Think of your knee as a newborn that becomes an infant, and then a toddler, and then an adolescent. It's gonna take time. It's gonna develop different skills at different rates, right? There's gonna be frustration. There's gonna be anger. There's gonna be fear and depression and anxiety and all of those symptoms. But the reality is, that's just part of growing up. And your knee needs the time to grow up, to develop, to mature. So if you really want a long-term successful outcome, you need to give it that time to develop, just like you would any infant, toddler, adolescent. You know, think about all the mistakes you made even as a teenager. Your knee is gonna go through that same process. So if you have specific questions, please don't hesitate to ask. That's what I'm here for. I treat patients every day, but I love engaging with you on YouTube because you guys bring new insights into my history that I can share with my clients just as much as my insights are shared with you. Guys, as always, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.